I love the details in the center. I mean, that is gorgeous. It is all embroidered, like a 3D look to it. It has like tassels, beautiful. And then this can actually come off. Beautiful. Oh, just love it. Gorgeous. I mean, and also this big old tea kettle. Like, what? This is huge. The size of almost like the footstool. Really nice. Mixer thing. All right, guys, so I found the beaded beads, and this is what we use to make jewelry out of. You get this much for $7.99. Right here, this is a bunch. 3 strands, 3 long strands. Florida alligators. Oh my gosh, little Dutch hounds. Are y'all ready for Christmas? Cute. Look at the little truck. It's so cute. Calm. Happiness. The Halloween ones are cute. And then we have this one that lights up. And then these light up too, isn't that babe?
Yeah.
50% off. Bottoms up witches. I love that little mason jar. Little tiny picture holders.
Oh, yeah.
I like the way. Herbs.
Yeah.
They look real. That truck is so cute. Grandma had something like this. You got him. What do you call them? Picture frame, picture holder.
Look at that business card, didn't it?
Oh, business cards. There you go. I like this one, babe. Happy fall, y'all. Well, I should say happy fall, y'all, but it says happy fall. Delicious.